my name is Sama Farooq and I work as an IELTS trainer in The Trackers. Today I would like to talk about one of the most important and trickiest module, that is reading. Reading is considered as one of the most important module. Reading consists of 40 questions that are designed to test wide variety of your reading skills. Managing time is crucial for you as you have only 60 minutes to solve the reading test. There are mainly 14 type of questions that are given to you that you need to solve in that 1 hour. It is recommended that not to spend more than 20 minutes on each passage as it will be difficult for you to tackle the final passage if you lack your time. And always keep this in mind that you need to write the answers in capital letters. Make sure to check your answers before submitting your task. The IELTS reading test can be intimidating for the test takers, but prior preparation and time management can help you to score better scores